I'm always amazed at the quality of the people that they produce. Their expertise in their field, in the testing space, has been second to none. They have a really good strategic view of our projects, and they have a really good strategic view of our testing space. So I've really appreciated the advice they've given me. That's not just the day-to-day, it's also that strategic aspect of it. Zespri is the worldwide marketer of kiwi fruit. We sell to more than 50 countries worldwide, and we use approximately 4,500 local and international growers to distribute and grow our kiwi fruit. Our primary purpose at Zespri is to provide great quality kiwi fruit as a health benefit for people, community, and the wider world. Hi, my name is Bernie. I'm the Head of QA and Release Management here at Zespri. My primary responsibility here at Zespri is to head up the testing team, and they are responsible for executing testing on all of our projects.
I'm Steve Brookie. I head up the EPMO function at Zespri. So the EPMO function is responsible for delivering change right across the organisation.
Technology at Zespri is a critical enabler in shipping our fruit from the grower through to the supermarket. So it's hugely important for that technology to be working correctly and right. So, and as part of that enabling, we've engaged Planit to help us with the amount of projects we have on the go with all the change that happens in technology. And so Planit have been hugely instrumental in allowing us to flex and increase our testing resource during those projects.
We had a program of work that we were doing on the SAP platform, so HR solution. We had a number of modules to deliver, and the project wasn't going well. I needed to come up with a solution to that problem, and worked with the various teams and the Planit test leads and Kevin, their representative, to come up with a solution that we could really lock in how we were going to deliver this solution. We did it, we delivered it on time to budget, much to the amazement of the board. They were very impressed, and it was a great all-round result.
I think there's a recent example of a case where we've had to set up some Tosca automation, and in particular it is setting up what we call remote execution, so it's remotely executing some of our testing. And we tried to get this up and running for a number of days through our own skill and effort, and it just kept on falling short. And we brought in a Planit person from overseas, which was another a really important aspect for us, is to be able to get people who work remotely so well, and which Planit does. And they managed to get it working in a day or less, and what we couldn't even do in a couple of days. So for us, that was a really important challenge to have overcome.
Planit people are looking to help you achieve what it is you want to do. They're always looking out for Zespri's best interests. Trained up people that could slip in, would know our systems, know our processes, and they'd come in without missing a beat, and that transpired to be the case. So that was great. That just showed the flexibility that they would do to help us achieve the goals that we had and solve our problem.
Planit are hugely professional. We've really appreciated working with their team. They just love to help our business. They really enjoy learning and actually teaching our team in some cases on how the business process works, or how to execute proper testing. So they've been hugely instrumental for us in that space. They're also really good at fitting in. They fit really well in with the Zespri culture, and I've really just appreciated how part of the team that they feel.
The thing that really stands out for me is that they will tell us honestly how they see things. They won't be afraid to say that things are not going well or this is not very good. They'll tell me to my face, and I really, really respect that.
If you are considering working with Planit, you'll be extremely impressed by their testing expertise. You'll be extremely impressed by their strategic view on testing. They're really responsive. If you've got, at a drop of a hat, you need someone, then They're extremely good at providing with really good quality people within a short turnaround time. And they really understand your business. They get in there and they really become that SME in the space that they work in.